The world is a rich tapestry of cultures, each thread unique, each color vibrant. Together they create something beautiful, something complex. We're all connected across borders and oceans through our shared humanity. Cultural coexistence is not a dream, it is a necessity, a world where differences are celebrated, where we learn from each other, where we grow together. This is the world we must strive to create. Respect is paramount, for ourselves and for others, to understand different perspectives, to embrace different ways of life. This is how we build bridges, this is how we break down walls. Understanding fosters empathy. It allows us to see the world through different eyes, to appreciate the beauty and diversity, to challenge our own biases. When we understand, we can truly connect. Look around. Examples of cultural harmony abound. In Canada, multiculturalism thrives. Different languages, different religions, all coexisting peacefully. In Singapore, a melting pot of cultures, Chinese, Malay, Indian and more, living together, working together, building a nation together. These examples give us hope. They show us what is possible. Diversity enriches us. It exposes us to new ideas, new perspectives, new ways of thinking. It challenges us to grow, to learn, to become better versions of ourselves. Imagine a world where everyone was the same. How boring that would be. Diversity is a gift. Let's cherish it. Let's learn from it. Let's celebrate it. Together we can create a world where everyone feels valued, where everyone feels respected, where everyone feels a sense of belonging.